In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import past transactions into Freshbooks. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring in your past expenses from a CSV file, so everything is organized and up to date inside your Freshbooks account. Let's start inside Freshbooks on your main dashboard. To import past expenses, you'll first head over to the Expenses section. Once you're there, look toward the top of the page for an option called More Actions. Go ahead and click that, and from the drop-down menu, choose Import Expenses from a file. This is the entry point for getting all those older transactions into your account in one go, instead of adding them manually one by one. Next, Freshbooks will prompt you to upload your file. You'll see a button that says something like Choose File. Click that, then browse your computer for the CSV file that contains your past transactions. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the CSV file right into the upload area on the screen. Make sure this file is saved in CSV format because that's what Freshbooks expects, and it helps avoid import errors. After the file uploads, you'll move into the column mapping step. This is where you tell Freshbooks what each column in your CSV means. On the left, you'll see the column names from your file, and on the right, drop-downs with Freshbooks fields. For example, if your CSV has a column called Date, you'll match that to the Date field in Freshbooks. Do this for all relevant columns like description, amount, vendor, category, or anything else you've included. Taking a moment to carefully match each one helps keep your data clean and usable later. Now, you'll adjust a few settings before finalizing the import. First, confirm the correct currency for these expenses, especially if you deal with multiple currencies in your business. Then, choose the proper format for that currency if Freshbooks gives you an option. You'll also need to select the right date format. For example, decide whether your CSV uses month, day, year, or day, month, year. This is important because if the format is wrong, your dates could be misread or swapped. Once everything looks good, you're ready to import. Click Import Expenses or Continue, depending on what the button says in your account. Freshbooks will process the file and add those expenses to your list. When it's done, take a moment to scroll through your newly imported expenses. Check a few sample entries to make sure the dates, amounts, and descriptions landed in the right place. If something looks off, you can adjust your CSV and repeat the process. And that's how you import past transactions into Freshbooks efficiently and accurately.